once you join in as a PM, right? And uh, depending on which company you kind of get interviewed for, the interview process might vary slightly here and there, but typically you get evaluated for those 3-4 skill sets largely in any company that you go for, right? uh, and once you join and once you start as a PM, there are 4 broad skill sets that you need to develop in order to kind of succeed as a PM over your career, right? The one part of it is generating customer-led insights, right? Where, for example, you look at data, you talk to customers firsthand, you spend time with them, you spend time with user research in developing a better understanding of who the customer is, what is the pain point for the customer that you're solving for, what is that is solved in the industry, what is not solved in the industry. So generating customer insights is one broad skill set that you need to develop as a PM. The second part is delivering the product that you want to build, right? Writing a PRD, sharing it with engineering, working with designers to build the UX mockups, actually testing the product, launching it in the market, improving your metrics. That's the part where you execute on the product, execute on your idea and launch the product, right? So that is another skill set that you need to develop as a PM. The third part is influencing stakeholders, right? Where a lot of times what you're building, when you come up with an idea, a lot of people might not be convinced about it. So you need to sell your idea. You need to influence your stakeholders. You need to fight for your leadership to put resources behind you in terms of either people who can who can develop the product, or people who can help you analyze the metrics or whatever it is, right? So a lot many times you have to kind of evangelize what you're building, sell your long-term vision and influence stakeholders. So stakeholder management becomes the third core skill set as a PM. The fourth part is building strategy, right? Product is a what you build has to connect with your overall company strategy, right? Like today, for example, uh, uh, if I talk about, for example, Flipkart, right? And we have decided that we want to we want to stay in e-commerce within India is only for now, right? So we don't look at opportunities outside of India, like and what are the kind of different customer cohorts which exist there, and how do you solve for them, right? So whatever you build has to be really focused in terms of what your company strategy is and how do you connect your product strategy to the company's strategy. I'll give you another example. Let's say you are a product manager at Spotify, right? Spotify has been an audio only platform till today, right? Tomorrow, if you come up with an idea that I want to do video led uh, uh, podcasts on Spotify, right? But it doesn't tie up to your audio only strategy as a platform, right? Either you kind of evangelize and convince your company leadership that you need to get into videos as a segment as well. Otherwise, you kind of build your product strategy focused around the audio only theme, right? So connecting your product strategy to your business strategy becomes your fourth kind of key skill set.